Creature feature number 4. Roll it! A tale of two
In loving lovers love.
land of romance.
They're loving love on wings of gold, and loving love we fly above. Their love is such a soft and precious love. It's love. A lovely love is all we seem to need when we're in loving love. But then it's gone. It is nothing but a memory.
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 And then it's back, and loving lovers love again.
Who knows where it flies?
The lustrous love must rise
Into the endless skies.
a new day shining bright,
Your heart has wings to fly.
and no one else can fly.
I really can't say why.
I really do like pie.
I know a couple guys.
They really do.
They ain't graceful. They ain't glamorous. They don't get invited to no highfalutin dinner parties.
You don't think it could be drugs, do you?
Life. 'Cause they dead animals.
Like zebras.
Yeah. Are they? Do you think
Dung beetles and vultures
they're more intelligent than human beings?
dead, dead, dead,
What?
dead, dead, dead.
Recognize
Stinging and biting and creeping and flying around. Stinging and biting and creeping and flying around. Stinging and biting and creeping and flying around. There are lots more really wild animals. Next adventure. Until then.
I wonder what's for dinner.